Welcome to our GROHE workshop. Today I'll show you how easy it is to install the GROHE Rainshower Aqua Pure shower system. The box contains everything you need for installation. Of course, it's always helpful to read the assembly instructions. Here is another overview of the tools you'll need. The distance from the water connection to the ceiling has to be measured prior to installation. It should be at least 1200 millimeters. There must be at least 200 millimeters of room to the right of the thermostat to allow for future filter changes. The shower tray should now also be covered to protect it against damage. So let's get started. First, the S connections have to be sealed and brought into position. Screw in the connections with a 10mm Allen key until they stick out of the wall 25 and 31 millimeters. Use this template and a spirit level to align and check the position. The O-rings should not be on the S connections yet. Now remove the glass plate from the thermostat unit. Push it over the S connections. And mark the drill points. Then drill 4 holes with an 8mm drill bit and insert the wall plugs. Now fit the O-rings over the S connections and grease them. Then push the thermostat unit over the S connections and fix it to the wall with these 4 screws. Now screw in these 2 conical fixing screws. Use a 4mm Allen key for this. Finally, put the glass cover back on. Now it's time to attach the shower rail. First, mark the fixation points. They have to be over the middle of the thermostat unit. Mark the first hole 896 millimeters above, the second another 47 millimeters higher. Then drill the holes, insert the wall plugs and fix the bracket. Note the top marking. Now unscrew the Allen screw of the guide rail with a 2.5mm Allen key. Then mount the hand shower holder. Be careful because the screw is very small and could get lost. Now check the holder works and is easy to use before screwing the Allen screw back in. Next, mount the head shower. Grease the connections and fit it on the shower arm. Then affix it with the countersunk screws and a 2mm Allen key. Now grease the O-rings on the shower rail and mount it on the thermostat unit. Do this by pushing the shower rail down over the bracket from above. Check the position with the spirit level and screw the shower rail onto the bracket. Now check the shower system for leaks, ensuring the backflow preventer is installed. Put the glass plate back on and attach the bracket covers. Now let's attach the hand shower and shower hose. Now the Pure filter can be installed in the thermostat unit. To do so, push down and remove the cover cap on the right side of the housing. Then remove the filter lock and unlock the dummy by turning it once around anti-clockwise and pulling it out. Now unpack the new filter and insert it in the filter holder. Make sure the labeling "Filter In" is pointing upward. The filter is locked in position by turning it once clockwise. The LED lights up white for 5 seconds. The system is now active. Put the filter lock and the cover cap back on. Now turn on the hand shower and Pure button and flush the filter for 1 minute. To calibrate the thermal element, first turn the dial to the 38 degrees Celsius position. Now push the cover cap down and remove it. Loosen the screw and remove the dial. Turn on the hand shower and measure the temperature with a thermometer. If the temperature deviates, slowly turn the thermal element until you reach 38 degrees Celsius. Put the dial back on, fix it with the screw and reinsert the cover cap. Let the top snap in first and then push it in tight. Now you can test the different spray patterns of the head shower. Perfect. Now it's time for the handover. Before the job's done, there are still a few things left to check. Job well done.